In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove an administrator from your Telegram channel. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. If someone no longer needs administrative access to your Telegram channel, you can remove them in just a few steps. Whether you're updating your team, changing channel management, or simply adjusting permissions, Telegram makes it easy to remove an administrator whenever needed. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. To get started, open the Telegram channel where you want to remove an administrator. Once you're inside the channel, select the channel name at the top of the screen to open the channel information page. On the channel information page, click the edit icon at the top right. Next, scroll down till you see Administrators section. This is where you'll see everyone who currently has administrator access to the channel. Look through the list and locate the administrator you want to remove. Once you've found the correct person, select their name to open their administrator settings. You'll now see all of the permissions currently assigned to that administrator. Review the information to make sure you've selected the correct account. Next, look for the option Dismiss Admin. Select it to begin removing that person's administrator privileges. Telegram will ask you to confirm your decision before making the change. If you're sure you want to continue, confirm the removal. After confirming, the selected user will immediately lose their administrator privileges. They will no longer be able to manage channel settings, edit channel information, manage other administrators, post messages with administrator permissions, or perform any of the administrative tasks they previously had access to. Keep in mind that removing someone as an administrator does not remove them from the channel if it's a public channel, or if they are still a member. It only removes their administrative permissions. If you ever need to give them administrator access again, simply return to the Administrators section, add them back as an administrator, and assign the permissions you want them to have. And that's all there is to it. That's how to remove an administrator from your Telegram channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.